To Ibrahim al-Islam, Allah is asking, is telling us that He's narrating a narration or hadith of the Quran related to messengers came to Ibrahim al-Islam. Messengers. And when the message came with good news, and they said salam, peace. So in return, Ibrahim al-Islam said peace, salam. But the Quran doesn't say they were angels. The Quran only speaks there were messengers that came the good news to give to Ibrahim al-Islam. What the good news I will read further. But Ibrahim al-Islam thought they are human beings. They went hurriedly and brought some roasted calf. Did not wait there. Now what happened? Surah Hud 11, 71, 72 and 73. Verse 71. وَامْرَأَتُهُ قَائِمَةٌ فَضَحِكَتْ فَبَشَّرْنَاهَا بِإِسْحَاقَ وَمِنْ وَرَاءِ إِسْحَاقَ يَعْقُوبَ. His wife was standing, so she laughed. Then we gave her the good news with Ishaq, and from the back of Ishaq, Yaqub. قالت يا ويلتى ألد وأنا عجوز وهذا بعلي شيخا إن هذا لشيء عجيب. She said, oh alas, shall I have a child? I am an old woman and my husband an old man. Surely this is an amazing thing. Now when the good news were given, what was the good news? When they came, she laughed. Who laughed? Ibrahim's wife was standing there, she laughed. When she laughed, the good news was given to her. And what was the good news? Was that the good news of Ishaq al-Islam, a righteous prophet. And after Ishaq al-Islam, Yaqub al-Islam, a righteous prophet. This is amazing thing. She says this is amazing that I am old and my husband is old. How can we have a son? In other words, that's not possible. We are old. We have passed that age that we can have a son. So Allah says in the further ayat, the angel said, or the messenger says, قَالُوا وَتَعْجَبِينَ مِنْ أَمْرِ اللَّهِ رَحْمَةُ اللَّهِ وَبَرَكَاتُهُ عَلَيْكُمْ أَهْلَ الْبَيْتِ إِنَّهُ حَمِيدٌ مَجِيدٌ. They say, you are amazed from the order of Allah, the mercy of Allah, and His blessings over you, Ahl al-Bayt, people of the house. Surely He is praiseworthy, glorious. Amazing thing is, and not amazing now, deeply amazed, that Allah in the whole Quran says Ahl al-Bayt, people of the house, to Ibrahim's family. Why? Ibrahim was a prophet, Ismail was a prophet, Ishaq al-Islam was a prophet, Ibrahim al-Islam was a prophet, Ismail al-Islam was a prophet, Ishaq al-Islam was a Yaqub al-Islam was a prophet, and Yusuf al-Islam was a prophet. Whole family. This is a nation. Ibrahim is a nation. And he says, the angels or his messengers says, are you amazed from the order of Allah, the mercy of Allah and His blessing upon you? Ahl al-Bayt. This Ahl al-Bayt, the people of the house, is mentioned in the Quran only by these people, to these people. The other Ahl al-Bayt that people have made is not mentioned in the Quran by name at all. Now you people are reading the ayahs, we people are reading the ayahs. Allah has given the highest status, and Ahl al-Bayt is mean people of the house of Allah's house. It is not referring His own personal house where He lives. People of the house, because they all raise the foundation of the house. Ismail salam, I read before. They raise the foundation, they purify the house for people who are going around and bowing and prostrating. So they are all the people of the house. Who? Ibrahim al-Islam, Ismail al-Islam, Ishaq al-Islam, Yusuf, they are all the prophets, and his wife also. So they are the people of the house in the Quran, Ahl al-Bayt. People of the house of Allah. And whoever, and because Ibrahim says Ummat, a nation, so this nation, you are listening the whole nation. And if you become a part of it, you are that in that nation. How you become the Ahl al-Bayt of people of the house? You yourself, we ourselves can become the people of the house. If you do the same work. You listen to the ayat further, but the question here, you must understand, the whole family. This in the Quran, Ibrahim al-Islam is his family, all wife and his sons and grandsons, they were all prophets. They are a nation and the people of the house. They have one concept all the time. They had that belief in the same God, same Allah, and they purify the house. Same.